Hello my dear students, welcome back to chemistry class beta. So up to now we have studied two types of chemical properties of aldehydes and ketones. Number one, nucleophilic addition. Number two, nucleophilic addition and eliminations. Okay na beta? And number three is reduction reactions that I am going to start now. But before that, in nucleophilic addition and elimination, one more small objective reaction is there. Okay beta? That is nothing but the addition of thioalcohol. Alcohol formula ROH, in place of O we have to write S, means RSH. This is called thioalcohol. Right. So first of all I am going to give you the statement. Aldehydes on addition with thioalcohol. Addition of thioalcohol takes place in presence of HCl gas, or we can say dry HCl gas, and followed by elimination of water molecule will be takes place, and finally here we are getting the product is the thioacetal. Thioacetals, and also we can say one more name of thioacetal is known as mercaptan. This is important formula. So aldehydes upon addition with 2 moles of alcohol, they will give acetal. Aldehydes upon addition with 2 moles of thioalcohol, it will give thioacetal. Okay beta? Right. So first of all I am going to give an example. Example for what we are going to consider aldehyde. First suppose aldehyde is nothing but acetaldehyde. What is the formula of acetaldehyde? CH3 bonded to C double bond O bonded to H. So CH3 bond, C double bond O bond H. What is the name of this compound? Acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde upon addition with thioalcohol, means upon addition with thioethyl alcohol, or we can say ethyl thioalcohol. So what is the formula of ethyl thioalcohol? So formula is HS bonded to C2H5, looking like C2H5OH, but in the place of O I have written S man, means ethyl thioalcohol. And also we can say that 2 carbon is eth, single bond is ane, ethane. This is ola thiola beta. SS means we have to say that thione, means ethane thione. So acetaldehyde upon reaction with 2 moles of ethane thione, addition of ethane thione takes place in presence of dry HCl gas, and followed by elimination of water molecule takes place. So how to eliminate the water molecule? So from aldehydes and ketones we have to remove the oxygen, and from ethane thione we have taken 2 moles of ethane thione. So from 2 moles we have to take 2 moles of hydrogen. So 2 moles of H combines with O, we have to remove the H2O. Remaining is CH3 bonded to C, above plane H. Yes, I am going to write as it is. So here how many bonds are vacant? After removal of 2 oxygen, 2 bonds are vacant. So one combines with Sc2H5, another bond combines with Sc2H5. We have taken 2 moles. So here we have to write Sc2H5, and here also we have to write that Sc2H5. So OR and OR, alkoxy alkoxy jump dialkoxy, that is called acetal. But यहाँ पर O place में S है बेटा, so we have to say that this is nothing but the thioacetal. Thioacetal, and also we can say another name mercaptan. But mercaptan coming from where? Acetaldehyde, so we can say that acetaldehyde mercaptan. So acetaldehyde gives thioacetal and ketone gives thioketal. Like that we have to consider the products. Okay, now I am going to write the statement B by taking what beta? Ketones. So the statement is ketones upon addition with thioalcohol. Ketones upon addition with thioalcohol. Addition of thioalcohol takes place in presence of HCl, followed by elimination of water molecule will be takes place. Aldehyde upon addition gives thioacetal, and ketones upon addition gives what nana? Thioketal. And also we can say that mercaptans, this is same mercaptan. Right now, so what is the formula or equation? Acetone base, for example, acetone, okay now, ketone, we are going to be considered here acetone, CH3 bonded to C double bond O bonded to CH3. What is the name of this compound? Acetone. It upon addition with thioalcohol, same moles of ethane thiol I am going to be take that. So 2 moles of C2H5 bonded to SH, looking like ethyl alcohol, but we have to say that ethane thiol. So ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं, रिवर्स में भी लिख सकते हैं, as you wish नाना. So what is the name of this compound? Ethane thiol. Ethane thiol. Addition of ethane thiol takes place in presence of HCl, and followed by elimination of water molecule will be takes place. How? From acetone we have to remove the oxygen. From ethane thiol, last में H is there. From 2 moles we have to remove the 2 hydrogen. 2H combines with O, we have to eliminate the water molecule. Remaining is CH3 bonded to C. Above plane is CH3. 2 CH3 I have written there. Remaining SC2H5, 2 groups are there. Yes, C2H5. Again same thing. Here also I am going to write that SC2H5. So looking like alkoxy, but यहाँ पर thioalkoxy form is there, but it is coming from ketone and acetone. We have to say that this is nothing but what beta? Thioketol, and also we can say that mercaptal, but mercaptal coming from acetone, so we have to say that acetone mercaptal. Okay beta, in that I am going to give you C statement. It is also very important for you. So here I am going to take that maybe compound may be aldehyde or the compound may be ketone. So aldehydes are ketones. Aldehydes are ketones. Upon addition with a special compound, that is nothing but the alkane thiol. Sorry beta. Alkane dithiol. Means ethane thiol. यहाँ पर only one SH means monothiol, but यहाँ पर dithiol means a dihydric alcohol looking like nana. So aldehydes and ketones upon addition with alkane dithiol means 2 SH group should be there, but यहाँ पर addition of ethane dithiol takes place in presence of BF3, and by supporting solvent is nothing but ether. And here you are going to get the product is 2 products we can get here. From aldehyde we will get the cyclic. Aldehyde gives what on the thioacetal, but यहाँ पर aldehydes they will give the cyclic thioacetal, and ketones they will give the cyclic thioketal. Like that we have to write the products. Okay, for this reaction I am going to show you the, for this statement I am going to show the reaction. So let me consider one example for ketone. Again same thing, C double bond O, it contains 2 R groups. Compound name is nothing but what beta? Ketone. It upon addition with, in that place if you want you can take aldehyde also as you wish. So alkane dithiol means we can say that HS, again HS, SH, SH, dithiol. Which dithiol? Alkane dithiol. Bond CH2, bond CH2. Like this reaction we have seen on CH2 bond OH, bond CH2 bond OH, nothing but ethane 1,2 diol. Looking like alkane 1,2 dithiol. वहाँ पर OH, यहाँ पर SH नाना. Okay, good. So what is the name of this compound? Ethane. 1 connected to thiol, 2 connected to thiol. So the name of this compound is called ethane 1,2 thiol. Thiol means we have to say that dithiol. So ethane 1,2 dithiol. Aldehydes and ketones upon reaction with ethane 1,2 dithiol, or we can say alkane 1,2 dithiol, addition takes place same thing in presence of BF3 and what nana? Supporting solvent is ether. Now elimination of water molecule will be takes place. This is same. How? Again from thiol H, यहाँ से भी H, यहाँ से भी O. We have to remove the H2O. So C connected to 2R, I am going to be right here. Yes, I have written there 2R groups. C contain 2 bonds, 1 connected to S and 1 more connected to below S. Now S connected to 2 CH2 groups. Again here also S connected to another CH2 group. So this is the formula looking like ethylene glycol ketol. But here sulfur is there. So cyclic thioacetala ketala, this is one. So this is not coming from aldehyde, it is coming from ketone. If they comes from ketone, we have to say that cyclic thioketone. So this is your final product. What is the name of this product, beta? Cyclic thioketone. Okay, is all these three reactions are very important for objective point of view. Only for objective, these three reactions. Okay, another objective property is there, beta. Reaction with phosphorus pentachloride SCl5, or we can say that thionyl chloride SCl2. So what is the name of this compound? Thionyl chloride SOCl2. Okay, statement. Aldehydes and ketones upon reaction with PCl5 phosphorus pentachloride or upon reaction with thionyl chloride SOCl2, they will give the product, very special product, unexpected product, that is nothing but the ZEM dihalides. Means two halogen will be attacks or addition will be takes place only upon the one carbon. So the products are nothing but the ZEM dihalides. Okay, one example from aldehyde, one more from ketone. Right, aldehyde from example is acetaldehyde, CH3 bonded to C double bond O bonded to H. What is the name of this compound? Acetaldehyde. It upon addition with PCl5 phosphorus pentachloride. Yes, beta. So simply we have to do one thing. We have to remove the oxygen. CH3 bonded to C, above plane H. After removal of oxygen atom, two bonds are there. Both the bonds, they are attacked by the Cl. So तुमने यहाँ से क्या रिमूव किया? Oxygen. That oxygen combines with P, so that goes to be eliminated in the form of PO. Total 5 chlorine, 3 added here, 2 added here, remaining is 3. So POCl3, phosphonyl chloride, that is the byproduct. But here two chlorines, they are present upon only one carbon. This is nothing but GEM dichloride compound, but the exact name of this compound is called. Here two carbons are there, means we have to say that ethylidene. Again you should not say dichloride. Is di का meaning यहाँ पर cover हुआ बेटा. So ethylene dichloride. Sorry, the name of this compound is called ethylene chloride. It is an example of ZEM dihalide. Similarly, I am going to take one more example from ketone. CH3 bonded to C double bond O, C double bond O bonded to CH3. So what is the name of this compound? Acetone. Acetone upon addition with PCl5 means phosphorus pentachloride. Again same thing, Nana. So the expected product is here CH3 bonded to C, above plane is CH3. After removal of oxygen, such two bonds, they will be attacked by two chlorines bonded to Cl and bonded to Cl. Okay, beta. Remaining one phosphorus and one oxygen will have to be removed in the form of POCl3. Means again two chlorines are present upon one carbon. But now here three chlorines are there, so we have to say that propylidene, but it is in the form of isopropylidene. So the product name is nothing but isopropylidene chloride. It is also an example of what, Nana? ZEM dihalide. Okay, with PCl5 and PCl5, how the aldehydes and ketones forming ZEM dihalide. Okay, one short statement I am going to show you for thionyl chloride. So C double bond O again bonded to C double bond O. So this is the common formula of what? Aldehydes and ketones. They can shows reaction with SOCl2. They can shows reaction with SOCl2. What is mean by SOCl2, beta? That is nothing but the thionyl chloride. Aldehydes and ketones upon reaction with thionyl chloride same thing, यहाँ पर भी दो ऑक्सीजन रिमूव कर देना. Upon the two bonds, we have to attack the two chlorine. So bond, again carbon connected to bond. These two bonds I have written as it is. Remaining two bonds are there. They were attacked by the Cl. Such Cls are coming from the SOCl2. Remaining S and two oxygen, we have to be eliminated in the form of SO2 gas. Okay, beta. So two chlorines are present upon same carbon. It is an example of what, Nana? It is the symbol of what? Zem dihalide. Okay, right. These two reactions are only for objective point of view. Now type 3 reaction, important for theory point of view, very, very important. Reduction reactions of aldehydes and ketones. Right now, type 3 reactions. Reduction reactions of aldehydes and ketones. Okay, right. In that, number 1 is reduction of aldehydes. Reduction of aldehydes. पहले अपन इस टॉपिक को फिनिश करेंगे बेटा. ओके, इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर theory come objective, right? So first of all, I am going to give the statement. Almost all this reaction also you know very well. We have studied in alcohols topic, Nana. Okay, first of all, statement. So which compounds we are going to do the reduction? Aldehydes. Aldehydes upon reduction. What is meant by reduction? Addition of hydrogen. So reduction takes place in presence of reducing agent. So what is the commonly used reducing agent? That is nothing but the LiAlH4 lithium aluminium hydride in presence of supporting solvent is ether. Otherwise we can take sodium borohydride NaBH4 in presence of ethanol C2H5 supporting solvent. Otherwise simply you can do catalytic hydrogenation, addition of H2 in presence of nickel or platinum or palladium is in the tree. And okay, now few more are there, I will tell you. So in presence of this reducing agents, aldehydes are changes into the product. The products are nothing but the primary alcohols. Okay, aldehydes upon reduction gives primary alcohol, ketones upon reduction gives secondary alcohols. You know that now, beta? Good. So now I am going to show the reaction. Right. So first of all, yeah, catalytic hydrogenation ले सकते हैं ना. So addition of H2 in presence of nickel, platinum, palladium as a Vishnu, no problem. Yeah. So first of all, I am going to show you the general reaction. What is the general formula of aldehydes? RCHO, R bond CHO. Formula of aldehyde. It upon reduction means addition of hydrogen. कितने हाइड्रोजन ऐड कर रहे हैं? 2 हाइड्रोजन. Reduction takes place in presence of lithium aluminium hydride in presence of ether, otherwise sodium borohydride. Otherwise you can take that catalytic hydrogenation as a Vishnu. So R bonded to CH, but I am writing CH2, means to that CH we are giving one hydrogen. One more hydrogen given to O means we can say that O becomes OH. So this is your product, that is nothing but what, beta? Primary alcohol. Now I am going to show the example. In the place of R, I am going to write CH3, CH3CHO, acetaldehyde, CH3 bonded to CHO. Compound name is called acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde upon reduction by using addition of hydrogen, but reduction takes place by using the reducing agent lithium aluminum hydride LiAlH4 in presence of supporting solvent is ether, otherwise you can use THF also. Right. So out of 2 hydrogen, 1 given to CH, it becomes CH2, 1 more given to O become OH. So the product is CH3 bonded to CH2, CH2 bonded to OH. 2 carbon means methyl, 1 carbon means methyl, 2 carbon means ethyl. Simply we can say that ethyl alcohol or ethanol, it is an example of primary alcohol. Right. So in the place of CH3 acetaldehyde, it gives ethyl alcohol in the place of CH3. I want to write benzene, means benzaldehyde. Benzaldehyde gives benzyl alcohol. So in the place of R, I am going to write benzene, otherwise we can write C6H5. C6H5 bonded to CHO. So benzene bonded to CHO, compound name is called benzaldehyde. Benzaldehyde upon reduction means upon addition of hydrogen. Upon addition of hydrogen. Addition of hydrogen takes place in presence of lithium aluminum hydride in presence of ether. In presence of ether. Again same thing, benzene group as it is means C6H5. H given to CH, it becomes CH2. One more H given to O becomes what Nana? OH2. So here benzene connected to OH nahi beta. If benzene connected to OH phenol, but यहाँ पर बीच में क्या है? CH2 is there. So this is called benzyl carbon. Benzyl carbon connected to OH. So the name of this product is called benzyl alcohol. All these reactions you know this very well. Once again very important for theory point of view. So aldehydes upon reduction gives primary alcohols and ketones upon reduction gives secondary alcohol. Acetaldehyde gives ethyl alcohol, benzaldehyde gives benzyl alcohol. Both are nothing but primary in nature. Right beta. Next one is I am going to show you another property. Number 2 reactions. So that is nothing but the reduction of ketones. Reduction of ketones. So statement already you know very well. Once again I am going to repeat the statement. That is nothing but the ketones upon reduction means addition of hydrogen. So ketones upon reduction takes place by using the reducing agent. The reducing agent is nothing but the lithium aluminum hydride in presence of ether, and also we can take that same thing, sodium borohydride in presence of ethanol, and also we can do catalytic hydrogenation means addition of H2 in presence of nickel platinum or palladium. But aldehydes gives primary alcohol, and here ketones are there. Ketones, they are going to form the product. The products are nothing but what beta? Secondary alcohols. Now I am going to show you the reaction. Okay, what is the ketone general formula? R bonded to C double bond O, C double bond O bonded to R. Name of this compound is what beta? Ketone. Ketones upon reduction means addition of hydrogen. Reduction takes place by using LAH means lithium aluminum hydride, short form of LiAlH4. So 2 hydrogens we are adding beta. 1 hydrogen given to C, it becomes CH. 1 more hydrogen given to O becomes OH, double bond becomes single bond. So the product is R bonded to CH, CH above plane OH, again bonded to R. 2 hydrogens are given to, 1 given to carbon, 1 more given to oxygen. OH given to carbon, carbon connected to surrounding 2 alkyl group. So it is an example of secondary alcohol. Now I am going to show you the examples. One example I'm going to take, in the place of R, I'm going to replace CH3. So CH3 bonded to C double bond O bonded to CH3. So what is the name of this compound, beta? Acetone. It upon reduction means addition of hydrogen. Addition of hydrogen takes place in presence of lithium aluminium hydride in presence of ether. Two hydrogen में one given to carbon, one more given to oxygen. So we can write the product is CH3 bonded to CH, CH bonded to OH. Two hydrogen, one given to O, one more given to C. And last में क्या है बेटा? CH3. So it is also nothing but an example of secondary alcohol, but this is isocarbon. So and total 3 carbons are there, propyl. So the product name is nothing but isopropyl alcohol. Isopropyl alcohol, and we can say that secondary alcohol, and IUPAC name is propane 2-ol, like that we have to be right now. Okay, so aldehydes upon reduction gives primary alcohols and ketones upon reduction gives secondary alcohols. Okay beta, good. So now I am going to show you these reactions are very important for theory, again on the basis of reaction. Now we have to know what are the list of reducing agents we can use for these reactions. Okay, right. So this point is only for objective. The information is about the commonly used reducing agents. Commonly used reducing agents. Yes, we can use lithium aluminium hydride in presence of ether, sodium borohydride in presence of ethanol, and also we can use lithium borohydride, formula LiBH4. ये भी तुम यूज कर सकते हैं ना, lithium borohydride. Next one is, yes, up to now so many times already I have told you, that is nothing but the catalytic hydrogenation, addition of H2 in presence of nickel, platinum, palladium, PD, nickel, platinum and palladium. Okay beta, right. Next one I am going to tell that is nothing but the reducing agent takes place by using sodium in presence of alcohol or in presence of ethanol. Reduction will be takes place by using zinc metal in the medium is acidic medium in presence of CH3COOH. It can be used as reducing agent. One more reducing agent is zinc, and in presence of basic medium, that is nothing but the alcoholic NaOH. So zinc plus acid, zinc in presence of base, sodium in presence of alcohol, and catalytic hydrogenation, sodium borohydride, lithium borohydride, lithium aluminium hydride. All these are nothing but the commonly used reducing agents, and all they have the capable of conversion of aldehydes into primary alcohols, and ketones are reduces into the secondary alcohols. Okay beta, right. So this information is useful for you, objective point of view, this one. Okay, good. And one more objective point is there, Nana. Not only for objective, theory के लिए भी important है. Another information I am going to give you on the basis of theory come objective. So try to remember. Lithium aluminium hydride, it can reduces aldehydes and ketones, already I have told you so many times, and also it can reduces acid halides and esters, acid amides, acid anhydrides, all can be reduced by lithium aluminium hydride. Next one is sodium borohydride. It can also, but remember carefully, very very important, it can reduces only aldehydes and ketones, but it cannot reduces the what done carboxylic acids, and also we can say that it cannot reduces the acid halides and it cannot reduces the esters. Lithium aluminium hydride, it can reduces the acid halides and esters, but sodium borohydride, it cannot reduces the acid halides and esters. And try to remember, lithium aluminium hydride and sodium borohydride, both they cannot reduces the C double bond C group. Both they cannot reduce the double bond into single bond. But lithium aluminium hydride, it can reduces the acid halides and esters, and sodium borohydride, it cannot reduce the double bond, cannot reduce the acid halide, cannot reduce the ester. And one more very important, catalytic hydrogenation, addition of H2 in place of nickel, platinum or palladium. But very careful, as it can reduces the C double bond O group, means aldehydes and ketones, and also it can reduces the double bond into single bond, very important. So carbonyl functional groups and double bonds, okay, now they can be reduced, both can be reduced by catalytic hydrogenation. Okay, on the basis of these three, one question I am going to give you, try to see the answers. Okay beta, right. CH3 bonded to CH, double bond CH bonded to CHO. So this compound already I have given you, okay, now given to you in the story of nomenclature. The compound name is called crotonaldehyde. Which compound beta? Crotonaldehyde. So crotonaldehyde upon catalytic hydrogenation by using three reagents. Reagent number 1, this is the question for objective, very important. So addition of hydrogen takes place in presence of lithium aluminum hydride. Addition of hydrogen takes place in presence of sodium borohydride. And one more is nothing but what? And a catalytic hydrogenation, means addition of 2 moles of H2 in presence of nickel. Okay. Lithium aluminum hydride, it can reduce the aldehydes and ketone, but cannot reduce the double bond. So double bond remains same. CH3 bonded to CH, double bond CH bonded to CHO, means aldehyde group changes into the primary alcohol. CHO becomes CH2OH. One hydrogen given to CH, one more given to O. CHO becomes CH2OH now. Okay? Means double bonds cannot be reduced by lithium aluminum hydride. Only aldehyde group changes into the primary alcoholic form. So 1, 2, 3, 4. But 2 in 1 ol, that is your final product. Next, sodium borohydride, it also same thing. It cannot reduce the double bond. It can reduce a little bit chances, hey, but lithium aluminum hydride cannot reduce the double bond. Okay, it also cannot use, suppose, what is the product? Same product, CH3 bonded to CH, double bond CH, aldehyde group changes into primary alcohol. Okay, so this product you are getting around 60 to 70%, means we can say that this is nothing but the major product. So 60 to 70 means another nearby 40 is there na. 40 means double bonds can be reduced, and double bond can be reduced, CHO can be reduced. Means a double bond becomes single bond, CHO becomes CH2OH. That product will be formed in second case, but that is minor. But double bond को कभी ज़्यादा reduce नहीं करना बेटा, that is a major. But in case of H2 and Ni, both the groups perfectly they will undergo reduction. Okay, so what we can write now? CH3 bonded to CH2, one hydrogen given to CH, it becomes CH2, double bond becomes CH, single bond. Another hydrogen given to CH, again it also becomes CH2. Another hydrogen given to CH, again it becomes CH2. Another hydrogen given to O, it becomes OH. Means double bonds and functional group, all they are reduced. So one hydrogen, one hydrogen, one hydrogen, one hydrogen. Total 4 hydrogens we have added, 2 2s are 4. Clear beta? Right. So butane, 1 ol, that is a major product here. I hope you understand. And one more, try to important, be careful, very important. Generally lithium aluminum hydride cannot reduce the double bond, but one note point is there. The note point is, if phenyl group, nothing but C6H5 or benzene ring, if phenyl group at beta position, if phenyl group at beta position, double bonds can be, if a phenyl group at beta position, then C double bond C group that can be reduced. इस डबल बॉन्ड भी यहाँ पर क्या होते हैं बेटा, इस वो भी यहाँ पर रिड्यूस हो जाते हैं. ओके, सो जनरली लिथियम एल्यूमिनियम हाइड्राइड कैनॉट रिड्यूस द डबल बॉन्ड, बट in presence of phenyl group at beta position, double bond will be reduced. Okay, the example is, I am going to take phenyl ring, benzene bonded to CH, double bond CH bonded to CHO. It upon reduction with lithium aluminum hydride. So functional group adjacent carbon is alpha, alpha adjacent is beta, beta connected to phenyl, beta phenyl. Okay, now carbonyl compound in that double bond can be reduced, functional group will also reduce. So now what we can write the product? The answer is benzene bonded to phenylate beta, double bond will be reduced. So यहाँ पर H means CH2 bond CH2. Again aldehyde group changes into primary alcohol. We have to say that CH2OH. So 1 and 2 and 3. So what is the name of this compound? 3-phenyl propane 1-ol. That is our final product. And ये देखो ना दो भी सेम कंपाउंड, यहाँ पर CH3 is there, यहाँ पर benzene is there. CH3 means crotonaldehyde, benzene means cinnamaldehyde. So in crotonaldehyde, double bonds cannot be reduced by lithium aluminum hydride, but in cinnamaldehyde, double bonds can be reduced by what, Nana? Lithium aluminum hydride, because of we have given the condition. Phenyl group at beta position, double bonds will be reduced and functional group be reduced हो जाते हैं यहाँ पर. Okay, beta, good. So finally here I want to ask you one question for objective point of view. So the question is, yes, first of all I am going to consider one cyclohexane ring, and here I am writing one pi bond. Now it becomes cyclohexane, and you suppose one of the carbon connected to CHO, carbonyl functional group, aldehyde functional group, and next carbon connected to C double bond O group, we have to say that ketone, and opposite group of aldehyde it connected to C double bond O bonded to O C2H5, nothing but one side ester group is there, one side keto group is there, one side double CHO group is there, one side double bond is there. At a time 4 functional groups are there. Okay, right. So it upon reduction with sodium borohydride, it gives the product is X. Yes, it upon reduction with lithium aluminum hydride, and it gives the product is nothing but Y. So find X and Y. This is your question mark. So X equals to sodium borohydride. It is a selective and mild reducing agent. It can reduce selectively. Aldehyde into primary alcohol, ketones into secondary alcohol. Double bonds cannot be reduced. Esters also cannot be reduced. Yes. So sodium borohydride cannot reduce ester. Okay. So what is the X product? Sodium borohydride, it cannot reduce the double bond. It cannot reduce the ester. Yeah, I have written there. But it can reduce the aldehyde group. Aldehyde group means CHO, it changes into primary alcohol, CH2OH. And C double bond means keto group. Keto can be changes into secondary alcohol, OH connected to carbon, carbon connected to only 2 carbon. So this is nothing but primary alcohol, and it is nothing but secondary alcoholic group. Aldehyde into primary alcohol, ketone into secondary alcohol. Double bonds cannot be reduced, esters cannot be reduced by sodium borohydride. So next one is nothing but Y product, lithium aluminum hydride. Yes, it also cannot reduce the double bonds. It can reduce the aldehyde into primary alcohol. It can reduce the keto group into secondary alcohol. But lithium aluminum hydride, it can reduce the ester. Esters are reduces into the mixture of alcohol. How? Bond यहाँ से break कर देना. Okay now, below one carbon is there. The carbon connected to CH2OH, one alcohol. Another C2H5O form is there, that will get another hydrogen, mean reduction. So C2H5O, that also changes into another product, that is nothing but the C2H5OH. Means here you are getting mixture of alcohols. I hope you understand. So esters upon reduction with lithium aluminum hydride, they will give the mixture of alcohol. Aldehyde into primary alcohol and ketones into secondary alcohol. This is the story about the reductions of aldehydes and ketones by using mainly lithium aluminum hydride, sodium borohydride, and catalytic dehydrogenation. Very, very important reactions for theory come objective. Okay, right. And in tomorrow's class three very special reduction reactions are there. One is Clemenceau reduction, one more is Wolff-Kishner reduction, and another two for objective point of view that we are going to finish completely in tomorrow's class. Okay, right.